Jam Fam family, yeah. Jam Fam, come hang with me.
Hello, Wagwan. Big up yourself for the idea yard or your dear broad. Welcome back to another episode of Life with the Jam Fams. And just like that, we were away and now we're back. So we just wanted to show some of our events with you. This was a special thing that happened. And we are very pleased and happy to be able to have this occasion for the summer holiday, considering some of the things that we were working on in the background, and now this is going to be happening instead of the alternative. So it's remarkable, and so we're going to share some of that with you here now.
Kenya,
I guess it should come more off the grass.
come off of the grass.
Okay. So
Just in case it rain, so it doesn't slip.
Come up above here.
Yeah.
Kale will say, why is it raining this beautiful day?
Oh.
I'll go back home.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
The hair is okay? Okay, fine.
Another day and another adventure. Hey. So today we're going on a little river hike. We were going to go to a different river, but we were going to go to Roaring River, but because of how far away that Noisy River rather, but because of how far away that is, we decided that we were going to stop short of the way, and so we're going to this one instead.
What's it called?
This river?
Yeah.
It's Troy River. That's how I know it. I don't know if there's another name to it. So it's on the border of Manchester and Trelawney, so it weaves between the two places. And we're walking through a little bit of a wooded section to get there. So it's a little bit of a hike. The others are ahead of us.
Okay, so we are going to the river to chill with the kids. Only because we promised them, or because I really want to go. But it's gonna be fun. Khalil is running. I don't mind the river as long as it doesn't rain. That's my only drawback. Imagine, Keja, you were going to wear brand new white trainers here this morning. The way you would cry when you go back if you had worn it.
My cocks are crying.
So we're going to let them get a little paddle.
Where do I go?
Just jump somewhere. Look where there's no grass. Auntie Kenny and Eliona should be coming as well. Oh, there we go. Is it cold?
So we're going through all of these things that you can see, greenery all over the place. What did you call it?
Bush and next bush.
Okay, but it's a lot of greenery, and we're just going to hike down to the river, and we'll take you down there with us. But I've been wanting to do this experience since we got back, just to give Eliona a feel of what it feels like to go to a river.
I've been to a river before.
You have been to river, but it's proper river where you just, as in, it's a attraction river. It's not the traditional river where people make their way to go. So this is this one. Hi. So we met a young man who decided that he was going to give us a little help to come down. So you don't mind?
Hola.
Thank you so much for your support. We appreciate it.
You're welcome, guys.
Thank you. So we're on the river. So that's our little spot that we're going to chill at And there is a little swim spot up there, and there's another one down the other end. And of course, somebody's already in the water. And there's another bit of a swim spot down there, which we'll go into shortly. Khalil, what's your account? What is it like?
It's cold.
Very?
Cold.
You think Auntie Kenya will be able to go in?
Yes.
Okay then, I'm coming down. Because I want to get in and see how it feels. Wow. And just like that, it's raining. And we're now going to have pick up your thing and put it up so we don't have river washout on the day we choose to come. I'm sure it will go away soon.
Well,
So this is us on the curb of the river, hiding from rain when we come a river. A little rain a Jew. And this is how people celebrate river. Khalil. There he is. No make no rain spoiling fun. And guess what? I'm going to do exactly the same. So when was the last time you've been to a river in Jamaica? Not one of those that has been curated as an attraction, but a river off the beaten path that you can go and chill and have some good water fun. Tell us in the comment down below, and tell us which one it is that you've been to. What's the name of it that you've been to and which parish it's in? That would be lovely to know. We're going to try and celebrate, and we'll keep you along with us as we go.
Independence Day.
Today is yeah.
It was
So
Emancipation the first.
yeah, and so today is Independence.
Well,
And
happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day. That's the voice telling you.
You're welcome. Gallant
And here is what I'm going to start off with, because them people here I come a river and none of them make a part then go a shop to buy snack. The British in them. But we're going to have fun nonetheless.
Yay!
Yeah, come by here.
Mommy, I'm doing push-ups.
Kenya. Kenya. Kenya.
Auntie Kenny, I'm doing push-ups.
You are?
Eliona. The rain's gone.
I'm going to just in case it rains.
Khalil's found a treasure.
Don't throw it.
Now,
Just here.
now it's Auntie Kenya's treasure.
Yeah. I thought it was a spear, but it's one of those with
It's fine.
Bamboo there. Bamboo.
You found bamboo?
Bam, 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 bam.
Everyone have their own priorities.
This is mine. No. I never see home.
This is mine.
With the umbrella, Elena?
Someone's probably chopping something. Someone's probably chopping something, a tree.
I can say I went into the water.
That's Kenya's version of going in the water.
My knuckles.
So,
Too far. Remember rule number 1 when we are out, stay inside.
stay in sight. Everyone's trying to get me to come into the water. I'm still undecided, but I might just eventually.
Not even the mud bath will entice her.
I do not want a mud bath. No, thank you. My sister's face is so funny. She's like, did you come to the river or fashion show?
Jamaica, did you hear that? What happened? He said when this place, when the river come down, water go all the way up.
Is it?
High up.
Oh, it's not that cold actually. Is it? Don't you dare. Ah! Okay, picture. Keisha! Picture.
It's scary because I think in the other one.
Someone's in their nature healing zone.
Don't you think I'm just coming today and just coming down here and just feeling how it feels, and that move back, and it just brings you back to childhood time of fun and recreation, and it just you feel like all the stresses and the worries of the world and all the cares just lift off of you for a moment, and you can just sit in this nature and just enjoy the happiness it brings.
True, nature is healing. Don't disturb them. Don't disturb them. They're trying to procreate.
And the thing is, if we had gone to one of those,
It's tadpoles.
I know.
yeah, they're just baby fish in the making.
And it's a lot. Don't disturb them.
I'm pretty sure if we go over there and check,
She stepped over.
we were brave enough to, we'd probably find
A lot.
and also janga
Ew.
shrimp
It's that. Oh,
and stuff.
yeah, it can stay. Leave it.
And we don't need to find them. I'm sure if we had gone to one of those places that's curated for fun and leisure activity, it wouldn't be as relaxing. It would be, but not as relaxing, because then you have the hustle and bustle of interacting with all the other people that's there. So sometimes these little
Hidden gems.
hidden gems are awesome to explore.
And it feels more personal.
Yeah.
Although sometimes the interaction is good. It brings more variety. But in those scenes, we tend to get lost in all the other noises. I get it.
You don't really get to go into a reflective space as much as you could do
Yeah.
in places like this. So it's awesome.
Yeah. I agree.
Khalil, what did you discover?
How to bury his shoes.
This is quicksand.
Not really.
Come on,
It's just sand, and because it's undisturbed for a little while, and with the hurricane, it got some it has deposited. So it just sinks when you.
Are you making your sandals drift? Drift. Drift.
Mommy, get inside.
I would never come in shoes drift. He probably thought it was gonna wait there.
I love that. Said this. Quick.
You want to come? Okay, then you want to come? Come on.
Hello. Hi. A native. How are you?
I'm a pancake.
Nice. Blessed love.
And just like that, we went to river, and what do you know? By the time we were supposed to get back, we had to leave because it was raining, and now it's raining, man. Hallelujah!
It's raining, Tana.
Oh my gosh! Look at how it's pouring down. Look at the roads.
We had our own river at home.
So although we went, it's raining like crazy, and we're standing here wishing that we hadn't delayed or going into the house, because now we're getting wet. But it's good to be able to enjoy the weather just like that. Yep, country flex. Look at somebody reliving their childhood. Oh my goodness. Tell her no, shenanigans once they turn up.
Hi everyone. So we are now exiting Craighead, Manchester, and we are making our way back to
Mandeville. Here we come.
Yippee! Here are some of the lovely views as we drive along on this lovely Independence Day. much lush greenery. Emerald.
The Jam Fam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, yeah. Jam Fam, come hang with me.
Thank you for staying with us on this another episode of Life with the Jam Fams. It's a pleasure having you coming along and enjoying these journeys with us. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Press that subscribe button, yeah? Thank you so much for doing so and for becoming a tribe member. It's a pleasure and we look forward to spending more quality time with you. And bye for now. We'll see you in the next one.